Now let's discuss about different quadrilaterals. And some of these quadrilaterals are the parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus, and trapezoid. Okay? First, let's define what is a quadrilateral. When we say quadrilateral, quad means four and lateral means sides. So quadrilateral has four sides. And the first one that we're going to discuss is the parallelogram. Okay? Let's draw a parallelogram. Okay. There. And then let's add some points. Oops, too big. There. And then let's name some points A, B, C, and D. Okay, one property of a parallelogram is opposite sides are parallel. Okay? So what are these sides? So looking at the illustration of a parallelogram, it says there that AB or line AB is parallel to line DC. Okay? Next, another property of a parallelogram is the opposite sides are equal. Okay, so what are these sides? Line AB is equal to DC, and then line AD is equal to BC. Okay, so those are the sides that are equal. Another property of a parallelogram is its opposite angles are equal. Meaning, angle A is equal to angle C, and then angle B is equal to angle D. So the opposite angles are equal. Now, let's move on to the next quadrilateral, which is the rectangle. Everybody knows what a rectangle looks like, but for the sake of discussion, I'm still going to draw a rectangle. Okay, so this is our rectangle, and then let's add some points, and then let's name points A, B, C, and D. So what is the property of a rectangle? Okay, first one is a rectangle is also a parallelogram. So it's the same with a parallelogram. So it's also a parallelogram because all the properties of the rectangle or all the properties of a parallelogram is just the same with the rectangle, plus another property, you need to add this, each angle is equal to 90 degrees, or it forms a right angle, or each angle is a right angle. Okay, so what are these angles? So angle A is equal to angle B, which is also equal to angle C, and also equal to angle D. So all of these angles are equal to 90 degrees. Okay? Next. What's the next quadrilateral? So the next quadrilateral is, a rhombus. Okay? Let's draw a rhombus. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. There. Let's add some points for reference. Let's name this point A, B, C, and D. Okay. A rhombus is also a parallelogram. Rhombus has the same properties or same with parallelogram. Have the same property. Whatever a parallelogram has, the rhombus also has it. Okay? Plus, okay, you just need to add this. All four sides are equal. Okay, what are these sides? Okay, so this is line AB is equal to BC, also equal to CD, and equal to DA. So all the four sides are equal. So these are the properties of a rhombus. Okay, next. And then we have the square. Okay, square. Okay, I know you guys knows what a square look like, but I'm still going to draw it. And then let's add some points for reference again. Then let's name this A, B, C, and D. So what are the properties of a square? A square has the same properties with a parallelogram. So it's also a parallelogram. It also have the same properties with a rectangle. Okay, so all the properties of the rectangle, the square also has it. And then another one, it also has the same properties with a rhombus. Okay, all square are rhombuses, but not all rhombuses are square. Okay, so the square, it satisfies all the 8 properties of the parallelogram, rectangle, and rhombus combined. Okay, so that is our square. Now, let's move on to the last one, which is the trapezoid. Okay, trapezoid. Let's draw a trapezoid here. This one's a trapezoid. This one is also a trapezoid. Okay. This one is also a trapezoid. There. These are all trapezoids. And a trapezoid has one distinct property. And it's one pair. It has one pair of parallel opposite sides. Sorry. Opposite sides. Okay? So what are these opposite sides that are parallel? This one, that one's parallel. This one's parallel with that one. This one and this one. So that's the property of a trapezoid. So there you have it, the different quadrilaterals. the square, the rectangle, the rhombus, the trapezoid, and the parallelogram.